Welcome to Karma Auto Group, Duluth's trusted dealership. Here's a look at a great SUV in our collection. A pre-owned 2016 Cadillac SRX. This Cadillac is powered by front-wheel drive V6 engine, automatic transmission, and has 69,865 miles. Drive in style with this 2016 Cadillac SRX. Luxurious comfort, advanced features, and reliable performance await you. Don't miss out on this exceptional SUV that combines elegance and functionality. Experience your next adventure today. Schedule a test drive now. This pre-owned SRX comes with many comfort and luxury, entertainment, and safety, so let's take a look at them. In comfort and luxury, this car comes with keyless entry, AC, power windows, power seats, alloy wheels. To keep you entertained, this Cadillac SRX is equipped with Bluetooth. Safety was put first by the following features: electronic stability control, ESC, traction control, adaptive cruise control, ABS brakes, park assist, daytime running light, parking sensors. Scan the QR code, visit our website for more information, availability, and pricing. Great quality at a great price. Visit us to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and follow our channel to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.